That's a wrap on the Vientiane International Auto Show 2025. The energy here has been absolutely incredible. From massive crowds to the thrilling launch of new EVs, the future of automotive technology has truly arrived in Laos. And at the KYB booth, we've got every driver covered. For ultimate comfort, choose Excel G and new SR. For off-road adventures, nothing beats JAOS and Skorched 4. And for precision in every turn, count on our premium steering suspension. As technology evolves, KYB remains committed to providing world-class stability for every vehicle. Thank you to everyone who stopped by.